Now, while Silicon Valley is the center of tech innovation in the United States, Europe could soon have its own equivalent in Ireland. CCTV's Lourdes Sexton has the story.
In the last 12 months, international investment into Irish tech startups has surged. More than $270 million was poured into 8 companies here. That's double the amount raised by the top Irish tech firms the previous year. Customer communication platform Intercom is leading the way. Earlier this month, they announced their latest round of funding was $50 million. The company offers a more personalized way for internet businesses to communicate with customers at scale. Last year, they poured 85% of their revenue back into research and development.
So we're really focused on using the money to build a product that our customers want to use. With 10,000 paying customers around the world now. I think that's really what's differentiating the successful companies these days, is those who are focusing maybe on the product and building something that people want, rather than necessarily maybe the marketing and sort of hyping things up.
The boost in funding here comes as many Silicon Valley tech companies are experiencing sharp falls in their valuations. So why is Ireland doing so well?
Ireland and Europe in general, there is better value in terms of company valuations. I think in Silicon Valley, some of the valuations in certain sectors have maybe gotten a little bit higher, and there's maybe a little bit of a pullback, and maybe some of those investors are taking more time to make decisions. And I think that's why some of those investors like Ireland.
Brett Mears is the co-founder of Currency Fair, a company that is taking on the banks by providing a cheaper, faster way to transfer money. His company has raised $20 million so far, and Brett believes that investors are now heavily focused on true innovation and the ability to execute.
And we do it in a really unique way where we match customers that are exchanging money in opposite directions. And the beauty of that is that we don't actually need to send money internationally. You get this great marketplace matching effect, makes it about 10 times cheaper, and it is much, much faster, can be same day or within 1 to 2 business days. And so I think the fact that that technology has been an absolute game changer to something that is really quite a big problem in consumer finance. We are effectively, at the forefront of the fintech revolution, and that's very attractive. We found that very attractive to investors. It's a really hot area at the moment.
With venture capital funding slowing in Silicon Valley, Ireland is benefiting for now. But it is clear that a market correction is happening in the tech industry. But analysts here say that companies that offer a defensible product will still win. Lourdes Sexton, CCTV, Dublin.